Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the question answer from the poem You Start Dying Slowly of Standard 10. We start from warming up section. The first question from warming up section is assuming A, B, C, D as speaker, ask the assigned question in your group and discuss. The first question from A section is if you do not study well, what will happen? This question is placed on page number 41 from Standard 10 English book. The answer of this question is if we do not study well, then we will fail poorly in our exam and may have problem in the future in getting the college or job we want. The second question is if you wake up late on working day, what will happen? If we wake up late on working day, we will be late to office. The work that need to be completed will get delayed and our office manager will be upset. The third question from C section, if you do not exercise regularly, what will happen? Answer is that if we do not exercise regularly, our health will get spoiled. We will gain weight and our bones etc. will get weak. Another question, if you eat too much junk food, what will happen? If we eat too much junk food, our health will get completely spoiled. Our body will feel weak and we will gain weight. Next question, if you do not participate in school activities or games, if we do not participate in school activities or games, we will miss out on all the fun and our school life would be boring. Next question, if you ignore a friend in need, answer is that if we ignore our friend in need, our friend will feel sad and upset and may not choose to be our friend anymore. Things I can do in my life. This is second question from warming up section. There is a table on page number 41 in English textbook of Standard 10, my English course book. The answer of this question is for my nation. What thing I can do in my life for my nation? Answer, keep my locality clean, stay in peace and harmony, help the needy, be respectful to everyone. Next, for my family, care for my family, help in the house, earn money for family, love everyone. For my friends, wait for them, help them in need, spend time with them, play with them. For old people, spend time with them, help them when required, read to them, be their friend. For the needy, share with them, help them in their need, provide food, provide medicines. For myself, pray to God, follow my heart, study well, respect myself. This is the second question from warming up section from page number 41. The third question of this warming up section is complete the following web and write paragraph. On 41 page number from Standard 10, my English course book, there is a one web diagram. Firstly, you have to complete the web diagram. 4 points are there, that is travel in space, fly around, be a singer, eat good food, and you have to write a paragraph for my wish. Here is a paragraph. Every person has their own hopes and desires. It is important that we know what makes us happy and work hard to achieve that happiness. Our dream and wishes can be anything like traveling in space or flying around the world to see everything our beautiful earth has to offer. I personally would love to be a singer and perform on the world stage. Eating good delicious food also make me happy. I wish I had the capability to go around the world tasting the best dishes in every culture. Here are some another questions from the poem page. The first question is that what thing can lead to slow death? Answer is if we do not travel, read or listen to the sound of life or avoid feeling passion in our hearts, it can all lead to slow death. Second question from poem page, what is that make life worth living? You 4 points. Answer is life is worth living for the incredible people that you meet, our friends and family, the amount of things you can do and see around the world, the absolute beauty of nature, the ocean, mountain, etc., the incredible food that we can eat, taste and cook. The third question, the poet has left the last stanza incomplete. What line you add to complete it? Answer is I will add the line, not truly understanding and following your heart, you start dying slowly. Here are another question from English workshop of Start Dying Slowly poem. First question is read the different messages in the poem given below. Choose the one that suit this poem best. On the page number 43, below the question, there are 5 points, and the answer is fulfill all your dreams and unfulfilled dreams. The second question is state the following theme or central idea of the poem. We have to write central idea of this poem. The answer is that the central idea of the poem is how you should lead your life. You truly live and experience life. You must follow your passion. You must travel, read, dress well, or whatever your heart desire. Most important, you must not avoid feeling emotions and do things that allow your heart to beat fast. If you are afraid and do not chase your dream, then your life can become meaningless and it is as good as dying slowly. Next, line that provide evidence of the theme. We have to write line of poem here. The answer is if you do not listen the sound of life, if you do not appreciate yourself, you start dying slowly. Next, 3 characteristics from the poem that make person dull and uninteresting. If you do not travel, if you do not read, if you do not listen to the sound of life, these are 3 characteristics that make person dull and uninteresting. Next question from English workshop is pick out adjective from the poem and write them down with the noun they describe. Turbulent emotions, sensible advice, same paths, different colors. Four, Fourth question, compare the structure of the poem You Start Dying Slowly to the poem in the unit 1.1 to the poem in unit 1, 1.1 and 1.3. To which poem does the structure match? The answer is the structure of the poem You Start Dying Slowly matches the poem Basket Full of Moonlight from unit 1. Next question is, what expression sorry this is answer from the fourth question. What difference do you notice in the other ones? Note them down. We have to also write the differences between teenagers prayer and You Start Dying Slowly poem. The first point is the rhyme scheme is different. A teenager's prayer has ABCDB rhyme scheme, whereas You Start Dying Slowly has free verse. Second, all paras of teenager's prayer is uniform, whereas the paras in You Start Dying Slowly are not uniform. Third, a teenager prayer has 20 lines, whereas You Start Dying Slowly has 27 lines. A teenager prayer has uniform line, whereas You Start Dying Slowly does not have uniform lines. Next question, fifth question from English workshop. What expression is repeated in the poem? How many times? What do you think the poet emphasizes it? The answer is the expression if you do not is repeated in the poem. It repeated 10 times. The poet emphasizes this expression to strongly enforce the idea that if you do not follow your heart or do not chase your dreams, you start dying slowly. The expression if you do not is important to the central idea of the poem. Sixth question from English workshop is, write the opposite of the following in the form of advice using different words and phrases. You do not travel. You should travel as much as you can. B. You do not appreciate yourself. You should appreciate yourself. C. You kill your self-esteem. You should keep up your self-esteem. You become a slave of habit. You must not become a slave of habit. You refuse to speak the stranger. You must speak to stranger. You do not change your life. You should change your life. You refuse to take risk. You should never refuse to take risk. Next question, seventh question from English workshop. Go through the following step and discuss in pairs about the fact mentioned in it. Write a paragraph using the points. Give another interesting title. On the page number of English, my English course book of standard 10, here are some points given below to the question number 7, and we have to write paragraph using these points. Answer is, firstly we have to give title to this paragraph. Title is Live Life to the Fullest. Paragraph is, if you want to make most of your life, you must work on yourself and try to get rid of your bad habits one by one. You need to avoid negative thoughts that come in your mind and focus on positive aspect. It is important to trust yourself, what your heart tells you, and genuinely love what you do. We must always keep learning from life and experience new things. Our minds will be enriched the more we learn and feel what life has to offer. To truly life to the fullest, it is essential that we learn to care as well as share with others in society. Above all, always be humble, respectful, and welcome each day with a big smile, and a happy heart will be able to tackle anything that comes in your way and have a sense of fulfillment within us. The next question is from page number 44. Complete the following table with the things in your life which help you to change your habit and routine. The answer is, if I travel, I shall be able to see our beautiful world and gain new experience. If I read, I shall enrich my mind and learn new things. If I change my bad habits, I shall become a better human being and appreciate myself. If I play continuously on the mobile phone, I shall miss the pleasure of playing outdoor games. If I don't make friends, my life would become dull and boring. Ninth question is, everyone needs inspiration to move ahead or make progress in our life. There are some things which inspire us to live better. What are those things? Answer is, stories, family, friends, teachers, movies, desire for things. Next question. Complete the Venn diagram with words that go with their topics. First, turbulent. Words for turbulent: um, storm, sea waves, weather, time, and emotions. Glistening: ice, mountain, sea, rock, heart. Sensible: advice, person, story, mind, and idea. Another question. Write about a day when you felt very happy. Use the following question to help you think, recollect a day. On the page number 44, there are 7 questions. Sorry, 8 questions. We have to write paragraph using those questions. Answer is, I still remember the day that my entire family went to the Ooty first time. It was on 9th September 2018. It was my father's birthday and we decided to celebrate by taking a trip to beautiful mountain. Although it was a long journey from Mumbai to Ooty, we had a lot of fun during the journey. We left home at 5 a.m. in the morning. Throughout the journey, we never felt tired and played games all along the way. I never forgot when I reached Ooty by late afternoon. Seeing the beautiful mountain and tea gardens left me completely memorized. My family saw my joy and were themselves happy that we took this trip. We went all around Ooty and saw as much as we could. In the end, we decided that traveling was the best thing for our mind and our family. So we now go for such a trip as often as possible. To this day, I can feel the pu- pure joy, happiness, and thrill that I felt during the trip to OT. This is the 11 questions answer. Next question, that is last question from English workshop. Use the internet or any book to write 4 inspirational or motivational quote related to the message in the poem. We have to write inspirational quote here. First inspirational quote: the best and the most thing in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must felt with their heart. By Helen Keller. Next inspiration quote: because of your smile, you make life more beautiful. T. Nath Ha. Third, beauty is when you can appreciate yourself, when you love yourself. What that's when you are most beautiful. Zoe Karwitz. Fourth, never lose an opportunity of seeing anything beautiful, for beauty is God's handwriting. Ralph Waldo Emerson. That are the 4th inspirational quotes. All the question from English workshop, from question from the poem, and question from the warming up section is completed here. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.